Transferring money from CoinStats to PayPal. In this video, I will walk you through the steps for 2025, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. CoinStats connects to wallets or exchanges. You will need to use your linked exchange wallet to move your funds. Step 2. You can open your Binance Trust Wallet or Kraken, the one where your funds are. And then, step 3, go to the sell or convert section. After that, you can exchange and turn your crypto into USD or your local currency. Step 4, many exchanges let you withdraw to PayPal directly, but if not, you can withdraw the funds to your linked bank account instead. Step 5, if your exchange only allows bank transfers, simply move the funds to your bank and then add that balance to your PayPal account manually. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.